If premature ejaculation has been hindering your sexual performance, with these powerful ingredients that I will be sharing today, you can expect improved results henceforth. Now let's begin. Hello and thank you for joining Green Juice channel. Please click on the subscribe button to be part of the club. Thank you. For you to achieve great results, follow this video step by step to the end. Remember that every time you wish to prepare this juice or this drink, you must always use fresh ingredients. Tell me in the comment section your favorites of them all. Please help this channel by clicking on the like button and sharing the video as well. This drink will power you up daily. This natural medicine will make you last longer in bed, even if you're 90 years old. Voila! The juice is ready to be served and should be consumed at least 1 hour before kickoff. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below with your thoughts or suggestions for future videos. Your support means everything to us and helps us to continue creating content that you love. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.